go on that rodeo today. Oh, which app am I using? Streamlabs. I want to try StreamYard, but I ain't never used it. Hey, trying to see. Hey, Camaro SS in the right lane. Hey, work. Hey, LT1 coming up next. Which one run the best? I'm on a new quiz. Pulled out, I ain't taking none less. Y'all want me? Hey.
Yo, we gonna see you race tonight or what?
I don't know. I ain't got nobody to run really. Am I racing tonight? Got my boy in the truck. Hey. No big blocks. I don't know what new phone I want to get. Little small block. I hope it my stream stay good. Hey, I'm ready. Let me get something to drink. Limited line. Drink this Sprite. Okay.
Hey, nah, hell no, bet inside now.
Okay.
Hey, let's go win.
Where y'all at? Okay. Let me see. Where y'all at?
Oh, I don't give a damn when you fuck on something. He brought that bitch to the line. He brought that bitch to the line.
Left lane for the win, y'all. Now, I don't know if he's going to be able to stay out there. This is a 10 speed or something. Ralph Euchers, why you ain't shut Peanut door? Right Right lane. No, he didn't. All right, y'all, coming up, some Hemis.
He needs to go.
Which one? Lucas Curry say he downloading Cash App. Right lane. About to turn this TikTok live back on. Hey, let's get this TikTok back rolling. People coming up here driving cars stolen. Ooh, where I see a car fast, I say it's rolling. Ooh, where I see my caprice, they call it a holding. See my caprice, they call it a holding. Ooh, I'm molding, on the start I'm rolling. Oh, it started buffering when I just turned that on. Is that a Taurus? Let me see. Let me see what kind of car. Oh, that's a Accord.